Hi there, I'm Mary Youngblood and welcome to Honors Global Geography. Our class begins with the basics of physical geography, which helps students understand the Earth's movements, changes, and systems. Our class gives students a basis of knowledge for topics of relevancy today, such as changes in climate, water availability, natural resources, and other issues with scarcity. We progress to human geography. Learning about history teaches us how and why the world is the way that it is, but more importantly, it can teach us tolerance, respect, and appreciation for peoples, different cultures, and other areas of the world. This is integral in our increasingly interdependent world. This is how a screen would look to our students on Canvas. And so if they go on here, they can click here for the class Zoom link. It's also always on the left-hand side of the screen, a little bit lower down, I believe. And it tells you when class meets. We've got our class Flipgrid code. And then down below, here is how they or you can always contact me. We've got our office hours link there as well. So they can go here. This is where they can go to look at any class assignments or anything like that. Class resources like a textbook or readings, that kind of thing are all in class resources. And then just a little bit of information about me. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me on email and I will try to get back to you within the next day.